Early bird. So, kakain muna kami. See you later, alligator. Yes! Welcome to Vietnam! Kadarating lang namin. 4:35. Pero 3:35 sa kanila. So, advance tayo ng 1 hour. Lalabas kami. Sabi ay 30 degrees temperature. Sana wag maulan para ma-enjoy. Yeah, mga ka-Jen! Vietnam! Ayan na, pinaka-active. See you later! Welcome to Da Nang International Airport! Mga ka-Jen! So, this is our first day. Darating kami and then mamaya may tour na kagad kami. Hingal ako. Sama ko kayo. So, we're here na. We're going to somewhere. Kakalapag lang namin. Kakalabas lang sa airport. Yung temperature medyo humid. Alam mo yung nasa likod ka ng aircon. Ganon. So, let's go. Meron na kami. Yan picture. Meron kaming sundo. See you the next time.
Yeah, it's a long story, you know. And for dinner, so we will try pho, and and the traditional pho we will eat with beef bus number 2. So we will inform you later. Yeah, let you come to the bus.
Okay na yun. Ano na yan? Automatic. Or na.
Okay, so now I want to. I have a question. Do you remember my name?
Yeah.
What is my name? Okay, and how about driver? Okay, exactly. So big applause for our room. Okay, so look at in the front and on the right hand. So we will see the Dragon Bridge. Yeah, the famous in the world. Yeah. To Saturday, Friday to Sunday. So the Dragon Bridge, so that we have the performance, so that we spray the fire and the water on the weekend.
We will not be able to witness it.
Don't worry, so I will try my best, so I will do for you on Monday. But not from the Dragon Mouse.
Milyonaryo tayo dito.
Wala pa ako.
Ay, wala.
At the Seven Seas Hotel. I'm with my roommate. Ako na namin to. So, tingnan natin kung ano itsura niya. Ayan. Welcome to our room. Enter na natin. Here's our CR.
So big, no?
Ay, big! Laki big!
Yeah, so big.
Oh, malaki niya. At dahil nagbo-vlog ako, siya nag-a-assess ng malit. Oh, thank you, Lee.
Ako nag-ayos yung bag mo.
Tapos may mali siya, ano.
Here, dito ako ah. Saan ka?
Pumili ka. Kahit saan
Saan
ako.
ako?
Dahil ikaw ano ng aking, ano.
Yeah.
Eh, may rep kami maliit. Pero guys, medyo iba lang amoy, ha?
It's not so...
Siguro kasi, ano sila. Alam niyo yung... Maherb. Ganon ang amoy niya. Kasi ito yung labas ng aming hotel.
Oh! See? Look.
Maganda. Nice.
Maganda.
Tapos,
Saan yung labas?
tingnan mo.
Oh! Sa... Ang taas.
7th floor kami. Buti na lang hindi kami doon sa pinakamataas kasi ayoko ng sobrang taas.
Ready for
Natatakot
bana.
ako. Tignan mo ang ma-adjust ang ano.
Airport?
Aircon. Ano to pala?
Oh!
So, mamaya 6:45. Wala. Yan na lang, kaya ko yan. 6:45, bababa na kami. So, see you guys later for our first Vietnam dinner! So we're here at local. We're going to taste the famous pho. Yan, chicken pho and beef pho. Yan. Mga pho. So we're going to rate it. Yan. So meron ganito, sprout. Tapos, lemon. And then, sili. This is chicken po.
No, very, very light. Hindi ko
Hindi niya makatch ang chicken. Yan! So, I'm waiting for my beef po. Oh, taste it na. Beef. The beef po. Oh. Then, you taste na.
Kaya pwede kumandi.
It's okay? So let's taste the pho. I get the beef pho.
Feeling ko masarap kung may kaso. Pero ayoko ng chicken.
Pero in fairness, ito din mga kami.
Ayoko naman ng chicken.
So we're going to have their coffee. So how's the coffee? Called Great Experience. Acquired Taste. For me, mga 8 over 10. Ikaw? Ikaw, anong rate mo?
8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8 out of 10. Let's go to coffee. First night walking. Punta kami sa kape, milk tea, or fruit tea. Alin man doon. Lakad-lakad. Ang dami dito dami store. Kasi nga siguro nasa central ng Dana.
Kasi,
That's the Dragon Henemeru. Or Merlion. O kaya yung init. Merlion. Ay, katapit na. Uy, na-stuck tayo. We're here. That's the Dragon. Nasa kami? Danang Vietnam. Ayan, nag-iba-iba siya ng color. Basta kami magkape. Sila pala, hindi pala ako nagkape. So, yun.